premiere of the new generation Mercedes-AMG GT Coupe. When the AMG division announced that the SL convertible and the new generation GT Coupe were being developed together, some rushed to criticize Mercedes. They said that previously, the Mercedes-AMG GT was a formidable competitor to the Porsche 911, but now it's turning into just an SL with a closed body. Technically, the new model is indeed similar to the convertible, with identical interiors, body panels, optics, and chassis setting. However, it's claimed that the coupe has retained the qualities of AMG's most sports-oriented developments. At the launch, they will only offer the new 63 and only offer the Mi 63 and A55 variants with a V8 4.0-liter twin-turbo engine with varying levels of tuning. It's unclear whether a smaller mild hybrid 43 version, available for the SEAL, will be introduced later. This version features a 4-cylinder 2.0-liter turbo engine with electric assistance and is not intended for high sports performance. The AMG 63, on the other hand, aims for much more. It produces 585 horsepower and 800 Newton-meters of torque. It accelerates from 0 to 100 km/h in 3.2 seconds, which is 0.4 seconds faster than the equivalent slot. The top speed is the same at 315 km/h. AMG 55 Coupe. The AMG T55 Coupe variant delivers 476 horsepower and 700 Nm of torque, which is again similar to the SL version. Both the coupe and convertible accelerate from 0 to 100 km/h in the same time, 3.9 seconds. The maximum speed is 295 km/h. The coupe features an all-wheel drive transmission with a 9-speed automatic and a 9-speed automatic and a clutch that is engaged at the start, instead of the traditional torque converter for automatic transmission. Power is sent to the front wheels through a clutch that can be completely disengaged, making the car rear-wheel drive. The rear differential has electronic locking, and the rear wheels can also steer. Automotive equipment. The car comes with composite brake discs, 390 mm at the front. Later in 2024, AMG will introduce ceramic brakes with 420 mm discs at the front axle. Both variants feature a sporty chassis with a semi-active hydraulic anti-roll system and adaptive dampers. The car can slightly raise its front end by 30 mm to clear particularly large speed bumps, load onto a tow truck, and so on. The new Mercedes-AMG GT Coupe will be available in Europe by the end of the year and in the US in the first half of 2024. The price has not been announced yet, but you can expect it to be in the range of the convertible models. SL 55 starting from $141,300 and SL 63 starting from $183,000.